Hey guys, this is Jeff from People Doing Stuff, and today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons you may want to live in China. Whoa. So right now we're at the Diaoshuihu Scenic Area. We just got done hiking some mad mountains. I'll throw some footage in there for you. And we're going to take the path out of here to the main road and just chat a little bit about why you might want to be here. So as this guy over here gets going. So the first reason you might want to move to China is to explore. I know you can explore pretty much anywhere, but when I lived in America, I didn't ever really feel like going out and exploring every day. And here, I just want to go out and explore every day. I want to just go see things. It's something about China just lives and breathes exploration. Maybe it's the 1,000-year-old temples that are all scattered through the whole place, and maybe it's just because it's new and it's nothing like America, but it just literally lives and breathes exploration. So my top reason for wanting to move to China is for all you explorers out there. You can explore endlessly for days, regardless of the city you go to, and not see everything. Number 2, there's a large lack of stress here. Yes, really low stress levels. In America, you're working, 40 to 70 hours a week, depending on your job and all that jazz. And, you're busting your ass all the time. And when you're not at work, half the time you got other things to think about and other things to worry about for your job. Here, you literally teach 20 to 26 hours a week and you're done. You go home, you forget about it, it's over. And your teaching hours, you're just in front of some kids, teach them English. It's real easy. I'm a firm believer that the majority of people can do it without a problem. It's just a really enjoyable experience. And there's no real stress around it. On top of having the short work hours, you get paid well enough to pay all your bills and then some. You won't really have to worry about money. Another great thing about it as far as stress goes is you never see your bosses. You'll see your boss once in a great while, and that's pretty much it. Once in a great while. You'll rarely see your boss. Coming out of the park here. This is pretty cool. That is a mountainside bathroom. Number 4 is community. Well, I know, Jeff, you're going to have communities in America, though. I mean, the communities are everywhere. No, that's not what I mean. I mean, your community is much closer here. You're going to have, 50 teachers that you teach with, and it's going to be more like a family than 50 teachers that you teach with. It's going to be real pleasant working with them. You're going to love working with them. It's going to be amazing because they will go out of their way and do almost anything for you and you for them, and it's just really helpful. From going to the doctors, helping people move. I mean, you have that back in America, I'm sure, but for me, I just feel like it's a little bit more, closer, more tight-knit, and you really feel like you're part of this huge family, and I really like the community here.
This is just getting steeper.
And steeper.
And steeper.
And shallower.
What the fuck?
Steeper, shallower.
title. Nope, Chinese chess.
The fifth reason you might want to move to China is travel. And what I mean by that is China is awesome for travel. You can go anywhere and everywhere for super dirt cheap in China. Cross the country for like 500 kwai. And you can take a bus, a train, a plane. It's just super cheap. You can spend a lot of time traveling. And then what goes right along with this is the fact that your schools, at least my school and my friends' schools, allow them to take a whole lot of time off and spend several weeks on vacation a year. And when I mean several weeks, I'm talking like 5 or 6 weeks on vacation, just screwing off and enjoying their lives every year. So yeah, travel is huge in China, and you could travel every day for years and not see all of China because it's got so many dang places to go and so many dang places to find. China, man, is the spot. If you want to travel cheap, get paid for doing it. I really suggest China for teaching English.
Not a fake one. Holy crap. So big.
So, now I'm going to give you a 6th bonus reason. What could it possibly be, Jeff? Whoa, did you see that wire coming over my head? Oh, that is not the 6th reason, almost like getting pulled off your bike by an electrical wire. The 6th reason is the people. I mean, that sounds crazy, but being a foreigner in China, especially if you're not living in Beijing or Shenzhen, you're like a celebrity here. There's all these people that just want to take their picture with you, spend time with you, go to dinner with you, go travel with you, go to parks with you, and you just feel like a celebrity. You feel loved, and you feel like people really genuinely want to take care of you, and it's really nice knowing that wherever you go, there's going to be someone there looking out for you just because you're a foreigner. Now in America, most people I know in the situations that I've already been in here, they would just tell me to get lost. And here, somebody would go out of their way to make sure, that I got my bike fixed if I was in some problem in the middle of the countryside or whatever it might be. People really take care of you here. The people are awesome. I really like living in China. Please click on one of my other videos if you really want to support me, you enjoy my videos, enjoy my little chats. Please feel free to subscribe. I'm a new vlogger, and I'm planning on adding a whole lot of different types of content to this, so it'll be way more than moto vlogging, and I would really appreciate your support.